अरे उन लोग को निकाल सभी लोग को पूछो सब का नाम क्या है सबको पीएम का स्कीम दे रहा है अनएम्प्लॉयड के लिए ज्वाइन करो ले लो पार्टी मार्गन कहाँ उड़ा गया Today is a very auspicious occasion for the Bharatiya Janata Party, not just for Nagaland, but for the country as a whole. Today with me, we have our Honorable Minister, Shri Jacob Jumomiji, our Honorable Advisor and MLA, Shri Toveto IMG, and all party workers. Today we are having this membership drive, which is being held in Nagaland all across the state, all across Mandal, all across the district. We are having this membership drive in almost 140 locations all across Nagaland. In Dimapur alone, today two of our Honorable Ministers have launched the campaign here in Dimapur, but in Dimapur alone, we are having this membership drive in more than 9 locations across Dimapur. Likewise, in other districts, Mandal, everywhere. At the same time, this launch has took place, which our Honorable Minister, both of them has just launched. So, I appeal to all party men and women, to all the BJP lovers, supporters, to come and join the world's largest political party and be a part of change. Thank you. Membership drive, this membership 2024 to validity 2024 to 2030 तक থাকিব तो सबके क्वाइट আছে আৰু 2030 পৰা আৰু next ইনাকা renewal আহিব মানে এইটো span of 6 years এইটো membership to valid আছে এটা এইটো বি জানাই দিয়া আছে thank you all.
Okay, congratulations to all of us as we have launched the mega membership drive which was launched by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji yesterday in Delhi. So me and Honorable Advisor Shri Toveto ji and Honorable State President Shri Benjamin ji will be launching in the various constituencies in the Dimapur district, the 5 constituencies in various locations as mentioned by Honorable President. So this membership drive under the leadership of Shri Benjamin Yepthomi ji in the state, we will be having a comprehensive membership drive in all the 60 assembly constituencies in Nagaland. So today we have kicked off the membership program, and this will be followed by the various membership launching program in the various districts by honorable members from the BJP, the elected members. So this is going to be a very mammoth task for all of us, but we have done it before. We are expecting to do it and perform it better this time with a lot of membership. A lot of people in the state are willing to join the BJP party, who believes in politics of development, where Narendra Modi ji, our Honorable Prime Minister, has performed in the last 10 years. With a huge mandate coming for the third consecutive subsequent terms in the country, we will leave no stone unturned as far as development of the state of Nagaland is concerned, to bring it par with the rest of the states in the country. So once again, I wish all of you the best in this enrollment and largest membership drive which has been started just today. Thank you.
The other parts of the country is the launch of membership drive is happening, and you have all witnessed that we have just launched the membership drive in Nagaland, along with the state office bearers led by our president, and we have our honorable minister here also with us. All of us together for the state of Nagaland. This is more of a what you call kickstart of our membership drive. It is a membership drive as well as the renewal of our members. So this will happen for the next 2 months. September 1st, 1 to 25th, and October 1st to 15th. So within these two months, in a given time, will be two phase. Will be covering all the districts and all the constituencies. And in many of the constituencies, we call it mandal, the launching is taking place at this hour. And even as mentioned, and even in Dimapur, about 10 locations, a membership drive is launching, and it will happen in next few minutes time. So for those members of the Bharatiya Janata Party in the past will renew its membership, and for those new members wanting to join the party will have all different options and very easy, the apps and then the online, and even for those who do not have smartphones will have these manual forms where you'll fill up, and then you will be automatically registered as a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party. I want to appeal to all the Dimapurians and all the party supporters to join BJP and make India's future bright. It is here. And then we also have the online number. You can just give a missed call, and then your membership will be registered. So with this few words, I want to thank all of you.